In this lecture, we are going to discover a new tool, which is the pencil tool. To select the pencil tool, we go here, click and maintain, and then select the pencil tool. And just by looking to the animated image, you can tell what this tool does. So select, and once selected, we can draw anything we want on the artboard, just like this. I can change the stroke from 1 to 10. I'm gonna draw something else. Just by using the mouse. And now we have a face. If we double click on this tool, the pencil tool, you get this window, pencil tool options. Here we have fidelity. Right now it's set exactly in the middle. We can set it to accurate or go all the way to smooth. I'm gonna keep it in the middle for now. Click OK. And I'm going to draw a heart, simple shape. And we get a result like this. Now I'm going to double click and set the fidelity to accurate, all the way to accurate, and click OK. I'm gonna draw another similar heart, same movement. And you notice there's a difference between the two. The lines on this heart are much smoother than the lines on this heart. And if we select both, we notice that this heart contains way too many points compared to this heart. Now I'm gonna do the opposite and go all the way to smooth. Click OK. And draw heart like this. And it's clear that this one is the smoothest out of the three. And if we select the three of them, it's clear why, because this one contains the least number of points. So this is like a rule in Illustrator. Less points in a line means a smoother line. I repeat, less points in a line equals a smoother line. I'm gonna go back here, set the fidelity right here in the middle, and click OK. And I'm gonna try to draw a body for the head like this. And if I stop midway and then continue, I can do that with no problem. I can stop, pause, and then continue the line. The reason why is because this box right here, edit selected paths, is checked. So as long as that's checked, I can stop and continue drawing the line like this. If I feel like I made a mistake or I don't like the way a line looks, I can, starting from here for example, and click. And now I corrected what I did. I'm gonna make an intentional mistake. To correct it, I just, from here, click and maintain and draw a line like this, and now it's corrected. If I double click and uncheck edit selected paths, click OK, notice now we can no longer do what we did. Once we let go of the mouse, that's a line we drew, and when we click again, we draw another new line that has nothing to do with the other, and we are no longer able to edit any line. Okay, another tool I want to show you is this tool right here, the smooth tool. I'm gonna select this heart, and with this tool we can reduce the number of points in a line and make it smoother. For example, this one, if you remember, we drew it when the fidelity was set to all the way to accurate. That means this line contains way too many points. We can reduce the number of points and make the line smoother by using this tool, just by clicking and dragging like this. And you notice what's happening. We are reducing the number of lines and the line is becoming much smoother, as you see. Just like this. Another tool I want to show you is the path eraser tool. I'm gonna first of all draw something here, and if we use the path eraser tool, we can delete. It's very simple, just by clicking and dragging. I'm gonna delete everything. Go back to the pencil tool and make sure the edit selected paths is unchecked. I'm gonna draw a line like this, a line like this, and a line like this. Now if I select both and use this tool right here, join tool, I'm able to join lines just by clicking and dragging over the edges of the lines, and now these two are connected. You can do the same thing here. Now this part is connected, and I'm gonna join these two as well. Now the three are connected. As you see, it's just one line, and we can even add a fill just like this. One last thing I want to show you. I'm gonna select the pencil tool, double click, fidelity, I'm gonna take it all the way to accurate, like this. I'm gonna draw a tree. A tree like this. Now I'm gonna select the tree and duplicate it like this. And you notice, because we set the fidelity to accurate all the way, we have too many points on this tree. If we want to make the lines smoother and reduce the number of points without using the smooth tool, there is another way, which is go to object, path, and then simplify. And here you notice now we have 136 points just in this tree. 136. We can take this all the way down to 47, and as you notice, the lines now are much smoother.